Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Fall in love with this beautiful and spacious 5 bedroom, 6 bathroom split level home for rent conveniently located in Ironshore near Witter Village. This gorgeous property is home away from home with the latest appliances, king size beds, lovely chef's kitchen, double garage, expansive swimming pool, neatly manicured lawn, and not to mention the ocean view from its wraparound balcony. Just 5 minutes from the Sangsters International Airport, Sandals, Hyatt, Hilton, Rio Hotel, and much more. Guys, this is a must see. Sit back, relax, and take a look at this property. The rental price for this property is US 4,200 or Jamaican 646,400 per month. To rent, please take a look at your screen or you can visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.